Good morning, everyone. I, CA Sushil Kumar Gupta, welcome you all to this video. Yesterday, Prime Minister Modi ji has made certain announcements on taxation reforms on the belief and assurance to reward the honest taxpayer. These taxation reforms have been launched under the tagline Transparent Taxation Honoring the Honest. These tax reforms consist of adoption of taxpayers charter by the income tax department, faceless assessment scheme and faceless appeals scheme. The charter has been adopted by the department from yesterday itself. The faceless assessment scheme has also been implemented from yesterday, whereas the faceless appeals scheme is going to be implemented from coming 25th of September. Under taxpayers charter, the rights of the assessee and the basic standard of services to be provided by the department have been codified. This taxpayers charter has statutory backing of section 119 capital A of the Income Tax Act. Having statutory backing means a assessee or a taxpayer can enforce the matters which are provided in the charter. India is the fourth such country after US, Canada and Australia to have legal backing to a taxpayers charter. 14 commitments have been made by the department in the charter, and at the same time there are 6 expectations from the assessees. The major important commitments which have been made by the department are to treat the taxpayer as honest unless there are reasons to treat him as dishonest, to provide the solutions in a time-bound manner, to resolve the taxation issues in a time-bound manner, and to hold the authorities accountable. And the expectation from the taxpayers are to comply in time, to respond in time, to pay in time, and to keep accurate records. Now, after the adoption of the taxpayers charter, we can expect solution to some of our pending issues. But how we are going to enforce our rights is subject to the policies, procedure and guidelines to be issued by the CBDT. Coming to the faceless scheme, earlier this faceless scheme was known as e-assessment scheme, and now it has been renamed as faceless assessment scheme with certain modifications, which we are going to discuss in our next video. Faceless scheme means a scheme where the assessee doesn't know who is his assessing officer, and at that same time the assessing officer doesn't know who the taxpayer is. Now, yesterday the CBDT has issued an order under section 119 which says that henceforth all assessment orders shall be passed by the National E-Assessment Center only, and any order passed by any other authority except National E-Assessment Center shall be bad in law except in 2 cases. First, where the cases have been centralized to a central charge, and second one where the cases have been assigned to international taxation charge. One more order has been issued by the CBDT yesterday, which pertains to section 133 capital A, that is survey operations. Under this order, now the survey can be carried out by Commissionerate of TDS in case of TDS matters, and by Directorate of Investigation Wing in all other matters. After the approval of PCCIT or CCIT TDS in TDS matters, and after having the approval of the DGIT investigation in all other matters. Earlier, the survey operations could be carried out after having the approval of the Joint Commissioner, but now having the approval of higher authorities signifies and assures lesser hardship at the hand of the department. Friends, these were some of the major announcements made by Mr. Modi, Prime Minister Modi yesterday. I hope this video was useful. Please do share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to continue to receive such updates in future.